Truck key 1 light quiz answers. Answer and win 10,000 run. Click and start. First question answer is the Quad Mic Advanced ENC. Second option. Second question answer is the 48 hours. Third option. Third question answer is the 40 ms low latency buds key 1. Fourth question answer is the all the three colors. Fourth option. Fifth question answer is the truck is a brand, German brand. Sixth question answer is the 12.4 mm titanium driver. Second option. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment and share.